Today, let's do the healing fountain practice. We're just gonna dive right into it. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your breath, into your body, into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be soft and easy, natural. There is no need to watch your breath like a hawk. Simply feel yourself breathe in and out, in and out. No struggle. Allowing all the experiences of the present moment to pass through you as energy. Softening from the inside out. And now allow your mind to drift and wander to the thought of a fountain. This is the fountain of profound relaxation. It is built in a way that the water level is waist high and easy for you to access. Maybe there is a sculpture that the water comes out from, or maybe the water just shoots up and out of the ground in some beautiful way. However you see this fountain, picture it very vividly in as much detail as you can. You notice that the water here is crystal clear, but it also seems to glow with golden light. Dip your fingertips into this golden water and feel a profound relaxation it gives you in your fingers. Now dip your entire hand in this healing water. The pleasure that this water brings you is so wonderful that you want to share this amazing experience with others. So now take a moment to invite all your loved ones and everyone else you can think of to join you at the fountain. Everybody is now gathered around the fountain, admiring the beauty of this water, the beauty of the sight. So allow yourself to be a child again. Allow yourself to play in this wonderful water. Splash around. Do whatever you feel needed. Enjoy. And notice that as you do this, the water seems to wash away all the worries, all the physical ailments you've carried over the years, the discomforts you may be experiencing now. It makes you feel stronger, more resilient, better prepared for what you're facing right now. So keep playing in the water and notice how you feel. And now find a nice spot somewhere near the fountain and go there to rest a bit, feeling completely free, clear, open-minded. As you rest here, notice what's happening in your body, in your mind, in your heart. As you gently and kindly open to anything you feel and hear, allow yourself to experience any special messages that you've been needing. These messages may come in the form of words, images, sensations. Simply pay attention. And maybe you want to take one of these messages and use it as your intention for the day. If you want to do it, place your hands on your heart and take a moment to set your intention. Now take another nice deep breath and gently let go of this practice, becoming fully aware of the present moment, noticing how you're feeling physically, emotionally, mentally. Ready to take on the rest of your day with confidence, trusting that anything and everything is possible for you. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.